I'm Anisha Khandelwal, and today I am going to give a presentation on globalization. Next slide. Globalization, the term itself speaks that being global. Globalization means that exchange of goods, services, technologies, and human beings, all mobile things that can be transported from one country to another across the globe. Globalization is a new gate open to the towards the society for exchanging their resources. Next slide. History of globalization states that globalization has been started 60,000 years ago, but it practically been implemented in the mid 20th centuries when people started to know and to mobile from one country to another as the technologies and the resources develop, opening the gates for people to exchange their values, their technologies, their seekings, and their learnings towards the globe. And last is the different collaboration with different countries makes a benefit towards one person. Next slide. Types of globalization, there are 7 kinds of globalization: economical, financial globalization, cultural, political, social, technological, geographical, and ecological globalization. First, economic globalization. It includes the monetary. It includes monetary values and aspects of the globalization. In finance, the stock market trading is included. In cultural globalization, we share our cultures with different countries and seekings that we learn. In political globalization, the UN, WHO, and the 70 countries which are actively participating in these fundamental work of serving the society is included. In social globalization, the connection with different countries, we the bond we share with them is included. The way we connect, social globalization is interrelated to technological, as it is a platform that provide us to share our feelings with the different people that through Instagram, Facebook, Skype, and all. In geographical boundaries is not a issue right in now these days, as we have so many transportation facilities and we can connect with other countries. Next slide. Benefits of globalization. Globalization has opened a door and a channel to the developing countries to make them more developed with the help of developed countries. It's been a good opportunity for countries like India, as the platform of Indian market has been increased through globalization. Every particular thing has its pros and cons. Coming with good benefits, it come with the lack also, as self-reliance is also the main motive of India. But exporting the goods and services is a good opportunity for India. Thank you, ma'am. It's
Yeah, it's very nice, excellent. Keep it up. The
thank you.
flow, the pronunciation, amazing, very good. Okay, so can you can, Shivani, you can stop share so that, yes, Anisha, say something about your future plans.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I am Anisha Khandelwal, and I am pursuing BBA Mass Communication in KK Modi University. Ma'am, my current goal is to complete my mass communication with good grades, and I'm not sure right now for my future. I am been stuck between being an manager and being a journalism. I like both of them, and I'm just a bit confused. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello everyone, I'm Anisha Khandelwal and I'm a KKMUite. I aspire to be an event manager and I'm pursuing BBA Mass Communication from the School of Management KKMU. It's a great opportunity to get selected here. The best thing about the college is the faculty members are so good and comforting, and online Harvard courses and other certification courses. The ongoing group activity is so good as it helps us to develop our interaction skills, communication skills and teamwork ability. Looking forward for the 3 years of journey and upcoming opportunities. Thank you.